They're just obliterating a building over there.
Yeah.
Are they? Nice. Dude, we could have cleaned the roof. When you first start your business, you're not gonna have a whole lot of cash on hand to throw at Facebook ads, to throw at Google ads, to give to a marketing agency. So it's really important to learn how to bootstrap your marketing budget for your business. How many doors can you go knock on? How many door hangers can we print? How many yard signs can we get? Can we get into some referral groups? Can I go to a BNI group? How can we network as much as possible and spend the time that we have rather than the little money that we may have on hand while we're starting that business?
Talk to Joy about that.
Come on, look at this style. These guys, they do such a great job. That is ultimately why we keep them around. Very consistent, you know, they say they're gonna come on a certain day and they always come on that day. So excellent client communication skills and they do an awesome job.
How we started was I hit the pavement, started selling businesses door to door.
These two kids came in and they're like, oh, hey, we're gonna clean your windows. I'm like, sure. And they were doing it for free as a demo, but I was so impressed. I gave them 20 bucks and I'm like, please come back.
Doug came here with just a bucket and then like a squeegee. He basically came in, he said, bro, I'm gonna do your window for 15 bucks. I remember that, 15 bucks. Now I hear that he's cleaning everywhere, so it's like, this is the guy, he works hard. Not just only his employees work, but if the manager and the boss is working, that's the kind of person you want to hire.
We're currently now experimenting with content marketing. What we're doing is we're just having short little interviews with our clients. We're doing quick reels, TikToks, and just asking them business questions. It gives Spiffy credibility in the market because I believe with content marketing, it's a very subtle form of marketing. You're not necessarily selling your services, but you allow other people to vouch for your services. And when they see that you have great relationships with the people that you work with, that'll motivate them to want to work with you as well. What's going on here? What are you doing? We actually ran a contest where our clients had a chance to win 1 year free worth of window cleaning.
Not a day, not a month, a year, okay?
And one of the ways they could qualify was actually leaving us a 5-star Google review. I truly believe in Google reviews. It'll really take your business to the next level if you have 100+ Google reviews.
There are a lot of businesses in Bellingham that offer window cleaning. What sets us apart from our competition is everything that happens between the first interaction we have with that client to the next day after service when we're calling them to follow up and see how good of a job was done at their property. We also have a customer satisfaction guarantee. We have warranties on our soft wash work. Whenever you call, we pick up the phone. We have dedicated managers making sure that it's very easy to get in contact with us and to get help.
As you could see, we don't have a phone number here, but it just says ASF Clean Team. So we'll immediately have them to start searching, right? Which will bring them to our page, which is Yelp page, where we contain 460 something positive, all 5-star reviews.
In the beginning, ASF Clean Team relied solemnly on Yellow Pages, I would say for maybe like a year, and then we gradually moved to Yelp. And it started off with just, I would say, $100 a month. Now we're at almost $7,000 a month on Yelp advertisements.
You want to make sure that your business is well branded. All of our employees are wearing uniforms. They roll up to a job site in a branded vehicle, and they also will throw out an A-frame sign before they start a job to let people know what company is actually working at that property. Before we start any job, we like to do what is called 5-arounds. We will go to 5 of the surrounding neighbors' homes and go introduce ourselves. So for instance, I would say, hey, I'm Jackson. I'm here with Mount Baker Window Cleaning Company. We've got some trucks on the street today, and you might hear some loud noise from our pressure washers, but we wanted to let you know and give you our contact information in case you have any issues or have any questions, you can give us a call. And that is what this is. This is a great piece of branding. The way that we hand it out, it doesn't really seem like we're soliciting because we're just being that nice neighborhood company that's just letting you know that they're there. But what's cool is that people do get a discount on here and they do have our contact information and services.
This hasn't actually been shown on camera yet. This is our secret scent. Normally I find within the industry you have people just wearing kind of janitorial looking type of clothing. The amount of comments we've received about the bow tie and our attire, such as you're the best dressed window cleaners that we've ever seen, that was really the idea, to capture people's attention and just give them that shock value.
We actually had a client not too long ago who is a very important client. He actually gave us more work after we completed the first job. And I asked him, I was curious, how did he find us? And he said, oh, I was driving and I just seen your van and I wanted to reach out. Going to back why it's important to wrap the van is to those things. You never know who you're gonna meet, you never know who's gonna reach out. And I think it's important to brand your business and put it out there so people know who you are and what kind of work you do. And it's very, very important.
We try and keep our overall marketing budget at or below 10%. Ideally, we're only at 5%, and this is only possible because we've built a recognizable brand in town. We do participate in social media. We find that our ideal avatar clientele is not necessarily on social media. So how we're using social media is more of a way to market to potential employees. People forget that you need to market to employees just like you do to clientele. Your business really depends on the people that you have working in it. And if you don't have good personnel in your business, you're gonna have no chance at reaching these affluent clients and doing an amazing job for them and earning reviews for them. So we love to market to our ideal avatar employee.